Join our Middle East agent for an immersive factory tour. While focusing on core hydrogen generators, our expanded diesel and natural gas generators sell well to suit various industrial power needs. Focusing on our core natural gas generators, we present its premium design, stable operation, and energy-efficient performance. All internal combustion engine parts are precisely manufactured. Every unit passes strict professional testing to ensure top quality and long-term reliability. From precision component processing and professional quality testing to standardized spare parts management, every detail demonstrates our strict quality control and mature manufacturing strength. We deliver reliable, affordable power solutions worldwide.